Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 4.25 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 8. Now on the last chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. So now that we have created this loop for row 1, I'll chain 1. Then right there to that loop I'll make 12 single crochet. Now that we have made 12 single crochets, right here to this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Then I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 2, I'll use yarn in different color. Then right there to that first chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I will chain 11. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Chain 11. Chain 12. Then through this next single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Chain 11. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Chain 11. Then through this next single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. See, I already made 6 of these flowers. See, 2 by 2. So I already joined 6, as you can see. Now I'll chain 5. So start right here through this brown flower. We have these 2 loops. Let me zoom in. So right here through this first loop from these 2, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a loop of my current work and pull through. Then I would chain 6. Now through this next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. I have to zoom in more, it looks like. Again, I'll chain 5. Now right here through this next 11 chain loop, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a loop of my current work and pull through. Now again, I'll chain 6. Then I'll make a slip stitch right here through this next single crochet chain. Again, I'll chain 5. Now we move on right here through this green flower at the center. Then right there through that first 11 chain loop, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a loop of my current work and pull through. Again, I'll chain 6. Then right here through this next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Again, I'll chain 5. Now right here through this next green flower, right there through the 11 chain loop, I insert my hook, and I insert my hook through a loop of my current work and pull through. Again, I'll chain 6. Now through this next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So let's see what we have so far. Alright, so we have joined our work with a brown flower and a green flower. Now we'll move on to the white flower. So again, I would chain 5. Now right here through this next 11 chain loop of our white flower, I insert my hook, then insert my hook through a loop of my current work and pull through. I would chain 6. Then through this next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Again, I would chain 5. Now through this next 11 chain loop of our white flower, I insert my hook, then insert my hook through a loop of my current work and pull through. Again, I would chain 6. Then right here through this next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. And now we'll chain 11. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch, chain 11, through the next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Let's see if we have 12 of these 11 chain loops for a blue flower. We need to make sure so we don't want to, encounter unnecessary mistakes later on. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Now I will just chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now we'll weave these ends in and we'll be done. This is actually a great way to make good use of your leftover yarn. I'll actually make something. I'm not sure exactly what I'm planning to make. Actually a great way to use your leftover yarn. It just makes the flowers look different from one another. But I will make something with it though, and I'm not sure exactly what it will be, but we shall see. I really like how it looks. Generally I don't like things that are too colorful, but this actually goes well together. So pretty, so pretty, very nice.